Good morning everyone. Today I would like to speak on topic Atmanirbhar Bharat. So basically, what is Atmanirbhar Bharat? It is a self-reliant scheme taken by the government of India to rely on ourselves by the Indian citizens. Atmanirbhar Bharat itself means the self-reliant India. So need of self-reliance is basically because if we are going to become a superpower in the future, so we will need to have our own powers and our own materials. So basically, to develop these all things, the government of India have given a scheme known as Atmanirbhar Bharat. Under this scheme or under this plan, we have initiated the Make in India scheme, in which we produce many goods and trading items in our country itself with the help of our industries. So basically, this will help in increasing in job opportunities and also develop great growth in trade and commerce. The trade and commerce will help to build a good defense ties as well as a good foreign policies with other countries, and this will help to lead in the GDP growth of our country. So the Make in India scheme has been developed and taken initiative by Government of India. Going to the development in Atmanirbhar Bharat, we can see that there are many defense ties also done with the help of Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. For example, we have given a large amount of BrahMos missiles to Philippines as well as Vietnam, and these BrahMos missiles have been made by the help of Russia and DRDO in our country itself. So coming down to the industries, the growth in industries will help to increase the job opportunities as well. This will increase the self-reliance of India, as we are creating great job opportunities in our country. So this will lead to great job opportunities. Again, coming to the GDP growth, as the trade will increase, the GDP of our country will also increase, making us helping us to develop our country further. So now, Atmanirbhar Bharat is being developed, and the government has taken initiative to develop it more.